How to remove your Facebook from your Meta account. If you have connected your Facebook or Instagram to your Meta account, I'm going to show you how to remove it. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. And also turn on post notification for you to get notified. Alright, so first what you want to do is make sure to open your application and go to your menu. From here, you can directly tap on this gear icon to access your settings, or just tap on this drop down and go to settings. And at the very top, you will see your account center. So this is the new Meta's account center. Here you will see all of your profiles right here. If you want to add account, you can add it from here. But in order to remove your account, what you want to do is scroll all the way down where you see this account section at the very bottom. Just tap on it, and here you will see all of your connected accounts right here. I have my Facebook and my Instagram. So if you want to remove your Facebook, just tap on remove. Then it will ask you for your password, and from here you can remove your account. I'm not going to do that right now, but that's basically how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.